Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about oxytocin. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So science shows that kissing, hugging and holding hands produce more than just magical moments. They can actually boost overall health, helping you to lose weight, to lower your blood pressure, to fight off sickness and more. Oxytocin plays a role in all of these. Therefore, oxytocin is called the love hormone or trust hormone or cuddle hormone or feel-good hormone. The more oxytocin you release, the more you want to hug, touch and hold hands. So let's talk about the science. So this is the hypothalamus part here. This is the anterior pituitary. This is the posterior pituitary. Now hypothalamic neurons. So this is the hypothalamic neuron. Hypothalamic neurons secrete oxytocin that enters the posterior pituitary. Posterior pituitary stores and releases them. So I have already made a lecture regarding hypothalamic control of the posterior pituitary. If you didn't go through that lecture, I would highly recommend you to have a look on that lecture. The link is provided in the description box. Functions of oxytocin. Oxytocin stimulates contraction of smooth muscle cells of uterus during childbirth. After delivery, it stimulates milk ejection from the mammary glands. Oxytocin is also be responsible for the feelings of sexual pleasure during and after intercourse.